Okay, exercise 2.4, problem 10, discussion. Okay, right, let's read the problem. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 300 and 500 which are divisible by 11. Okay, right, let's mark. So natural numbers, find the sum, okay, between 300 and 500 divisible by 11. Right. So it's numbers between 300 and 500 divisible by 11, and D is 11 because it's divisible by 11 means the common difference is 11. Sum of the numbers between 300 and 500. This is what we need to find. So let's write the formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l is the formula. But unfortunately we don't know n, nor do we know a or l. So unless all these things are known, we will not use this formula. Then what is n? N equal to L minus A by D plus 1. We know D, but L and A is not known. So we first have to find out what is L and what is A. So that means we'll have to first list out the terms in the series. Only when you list out the series, then we can proceed. So once we list out the series, we will know L and A, right? Once you know L and A, you can calculate N. Once you know N, then you can calculate the sum of the numbers divisible by 11. Okay, so that's the sequence. So let's list the first step. List first, second and the last numbers between 300 and 500 that are divisible by 11. Okay, once we list it out, what does it mean? We have the first number A as well as the last number. Substitute that. D is already known, 11. So substitute all the three variables and get the value of n. Once we know n, all you need to do is substitute the value of a, d and l in this formula and get the sum of those numbers, right? The numbers which are divisible by 11. So that's how this problem is to be worked out. Now what I suggest is you pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own. Come back and check the solution. Okay, let's get to the solution. So first step is to list the numbers in the series. It's in between 300 and 500 divisible by 11. So let's try. 300 not divisible by 11, 301, 302, keep trying. Then you'll be able to get the first term. 308 is the first term after 300 which is divisible by 11. 11 will go 2 times 22, 8 is a balance, so 88 8 times. Similarly, you'll be able to find the last number, that is 495. How will you do it? Start from 500, go down. 500 is not divisible by 11, 499, 498, 497, like that you go down. Then you'll be able to calculate or find the term which is divisible by 11. Here 495, 11 will go 4 times 44, the balance is 555, it will go 45 times. So this is the series. 308, 319, 319, how did you get? Add 11 to this, 308. Okay, once you find the first term and the last term, the next term can be easily calculated by adding 11 because the common difference is 11. Why is it so? Because you say the number is divisible by 11. So you'll have to add 11, right? Now you know the first term and the last term, right? And we also know the D. So substitute all these values in this formula. N equal to L minus A by D plus 1, that is 495 minus 308 divided by 11 plus 1. So what is happening? 495 minus 308 is 187. 187 divided by 11. Okay, 11 will go once and 7, 77. It will go 17 times. 17 plus 1, 18. So N equal to 18. So which means there are 18 terms in this series and the 18th term is 495. Now we'll have to substitute the value of A, D and L in the formula. Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So what will happen? Sn will be equal to n by 2. N is 18, we calculated it here. Okay, 18 by 2. Open bracket. A is 308, the first term. L is the last term, which is 495. This on simplification, this is actually 495 plus 308 is 803. 2 will go 9 times, so it becomes 9 into 803, that is 7227. Thus, the sum of all three-digit number divisible by 11 is 7227. You got it? It's very similar to the previous problem. Only thing they say the numbers are between 300 and 500. So the first step will be to find the series. Once we find the series, Then you identify the first term, the last term, and the common difference. Common difference is already given because it just says divisible by 11. So once you know these three information, you calculate n, the number of terms in this series. Once you know n, then you can use this formula and calculate the sum of those terms. Okay, that's all in this problem. Please try to work this out again on your own and check your working against this solution. Thanks for watching this video.